and welcome to Food Fridays with Lexicon IHM. In today's episode, Miss Rachana Pulgam will guide us to prepare an authentic Gujarati one-pot meal, Daal Dhokli. Alright Rachana ma'am, let's get started with baking dhoklis.
Sure sir. We'll start with a little salt, a pinch of turmeric, about half teaspoon of red chili powder, some coriander powder, just a little bit of carom seeds, teaspoon of oil to this, add some water. The consistency for the dough needs to be similar to puris. We're going to divide that into two parts. Roll this. Now just get this roti done a little, just not too much, just a little bit. Yes, just a little bit of the spots. As you can see, we don't want them too much. The next step is we are going to cut this dhoklis. Now we are done with the dhoklis. Now we'll see the next recipe for dal. Oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, some cloves and cinnamon stick, some fenugreek seeds, asafoetida or hing, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, salt to taste, dried red chilies, curry leaves, cashews, boiled peanuts, soaked kokum, finely chopped tomatoes, jaggery, some boiled cooked split pigeon peas or tur dal. Put a little bit of ghee into this, some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, a pinch of hing, some curry patta leaves, 2 red chilies, methi dana, means some cloves, cinnamon sticks, green chili paste, tomatoes, some turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder. Then we put in the cooked dal, some cooked peanuts, 1 teaspoon of cashews, soaked kokum, put in jaggery, add a little bit of water for consistency. Now we are going to put in the dhoklis. Now we'll let the dal boil along with dhokli so that dhoklis also absorb all the spices. Now this dal dhokli is ready to be served. We'll put a little bit of chopped coriander leaves on the top for garnishing.
Now that our Daal Dhokli is ready, let's make a Gujarati masala chas. So we require curd, fresh mint leaves, finely chopped coriander, ginger chili paste, cumin powder, salt, water. Let's blend the ingredients together. So first, let's start with the fresh curd, mint leaves, finely chopped coriander, ginger and chili paste. Then we require cumin powder. We'll add some salt in it and water. Let's blend the drink now. Highball glass, we will serve drink. Fresh coriander we will add on top to garnish. And our Gujarati masala chas is ready.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Stay tuned for such more lip smacking recipes.
Till then, stay safe and eat healthy.